Hey Pokemon Go fans! Today I've got an amazing Pokemon Go hack that works wonders on both Android and iPhones. Before we dive into the details, let me give you a sneak peek at the Pokemon Go hack features. Check out this joystick on my screen. It's like a virtual controller that lets us explore and catch Pokemons without moving in real life. Plus, the coolest part? We can teleport to different places all over the world. On the left side of the screen, there's a menu for the best hotspots with amazing Pokemons. Look at all those spots worldwide. And my favorite feature, you can tweak how fast your character moves. Just a heads up, don't make it too speedy, or you might end up in trouble. So, these are some of the best settings. There are more, but I won't dive into all of them to keep this video short and sweet. Now, if you want to install this Pokemon Go hack on your device, you need to change some settings. I'll guide you through the process, starting with iPhones, then we will switch to Android device. Head to your iPhone settings, navigate to General, and ensure that the background app refresh option is toggled on. This ensures your app content stays updated in the background. Choose to leave it on for Wi-Fi or both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, swing by the battery settings and switch off low power mode if it's active. Lastly, go to the App Store and make sure automatic downloads is turned on. This makes sure Pokemon Go hack gets installed automatically. Now that the settings are done, let's dive into the most important part. Open your internet browser, visit injectelite.com. Use the search bar to find Pokemon Go, click on it, and initiate the downloading process by clicking Start Injection. Be patient. The injection process may take a few minutes. Once completed, voila, you'll have the Pokemon Go Spoofer seamlessly installed into your iPhone. Now, let's move to the Android device. There's just one setting to check. Make sure that your battery saver feature is turned off. This is essential for installing the Pokemon Go hack. The remaining steps are the same as on iPhones. Open your internet browser, visit injectelite.com, locate Pokemon Go, click on it, and hit Start Injection. The injection process might take a bit, but rest assured it works smoothly even on older Androids. So, that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the Pokemon Go hack, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Thanks again for watching, and catch you in the next video. Peace out.